Subject Information Technology, Class 11 IT. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are learning third chapter of Information Technology for FYJC 11 standard. The name of the chapter is Impressive Web Designing with HTML5. Impressive Web Design with HTML5. Today I am going to cover four topics, student. Okay, first one is introduction to HTML5, second one text editor, third one basic structure of HTML5, and fourth very interesting topic, how to make first web page. Now let's start with introduction to HTML5. Very good, student. See here, HTML is standard language for developing and creating interactive website. It is introduced by Tim Berners-Lee. This Tim Berners-Lee introduced HTML. HTML is compatible with most of the web browser. Most of the web browser supports this. So compatible means support. HTML support most web browser. Web browser means it is application software that when you send requests to server send response. This response is in coded form. It is converted into user friendly with the help of this web browser. Okay. Next, HTML documents are created in any text editor and it can be run on any computer that has a web browser. Any computer that has web browser like Safari, Opera, Google Chrome, this web browser run this text of the HTML or code of the HTML. Now see basic structure. Second one is basic structure. Let's start with the basic structure. Here before starting basic structure our second topic, text editor. What is text editor? Shamin. Sorry, what is text editor? For coding we are using text editor. For coding we are using text editor. Now what is the meaning of text editor? What is the meaning of text editor? Text editor means like Notepad. See here example, some Notepad, Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, Coffee Cup. These are some text editor. In this text editor you can code, you can do coding, you can make your if you want to create your website, it needs some coding. You can code, you can program the code here. You can select any one. Notepad is by default by Microsoft. I like Sublime Text. I always do coding in Sublime Text. But Notepad is very simple, so I am using here Notepad. Now how to run code? If you just see, first open a text editor, Notepad. See here how to open Notepad. Open Windows Notepad, Start, Programs, Accessories and Notepad. Then type, this is my first web page. In coding, save it, file save with extension .html, open Internet Explorer, open the file. Okay, in this way you are going to make your first website. Now see some basics. In practical I am explaining how to type code, then how to save code, how to run code in practical. But before some basics, just see here student, HTML tags are keyword enclosed within angular bracket. This is very important. Okay, when you do coding, I will again and again use this angular bracket. The coding is any code is used in this angular bracket. Tags are not case sensitive. You are typing, you are doing coding. Very good student, you are doing coding. typing, then you does not get you does not panic, don't panic about case sensitiveness. Case sensitive means capital, uppercase, lowercase. You know it. Capital letter or means capital A is equivalent to small a. Both are same. Means it is not case sensitive. In other languages like Java and JavaScript, some words are case sensitive. Means A is not equal to small a. Capital A is not equal to small a. Okay, student? Okay, next. Every HTML page is enclosed within two tags. All the HTML pages are enclosed within two tags. First start with HTML and end with HTML. Angular bracket is there. Here also angular bracket, but black slash is there. This is black. Sorry, backslash. This is starting angular bracket, closing, and this is also. But here backslash is there. HTML pages is divided into two sections internally. Okay, it is, students, here it is divided in two sections. First one is head section and second one is body section. What is the use of head section and what is the use of body section? Head section contains title of the document which is enclosed within title. It gives title to your web page, title to your website. And the actual text of the document is written within body tag. Again I am repeating. Title in head section, two sections are there. Title in head section. Your title is in head section. And actual text you are doing, you are adding heading to your website, then images, colors, pictures, audio, video, all are where student? Very good, in body tag. Okay, let's see practical. How to do coding? Let's see practical. I am starting Notepad. Or you can use Sublime Text also. Both you can use Sublime Text or I am starting here Notepad. See here Notepad. Now angular bracket, see here, just type. This is text editor. This is text editor where I am going to type the code. Okay, student? Very good. See here angular bracket, then exclamatory, then type doc type. Don't bother about this doc type. Just I will explain you what later what is doc type. Just see how I am doing coding. Okay, this is doc type HTML. Then again HTML, hypertext markup language. This is in tag, means it is in angular bracket. Then first section, what is this? Alhamdulillah. Sorry. First section, first enclose. Okay, HTML start, HTML end. Now there are two sections. First one is head section. I explain you. And second is body section. See here. I am again type this. HTML start, HTML close, head start, head close, body start, body close. Cool, student, very good. Now see, in head section, what I am doing? You can give title, add title. This will give title to your web page. title. Okay, title this web page first. Okay, now see here how to save it. Now I have, this is syntax. Now I am saving the code. Click on file, save, go to desktop, you name first .html. Now I'm saving in a specific way. I have given here name of the file, then dot html, just like your name and your surname. Dot is compulsory. You can give html or html also, both are okay. Then click on save. Click on save. Now see, desktop, start your desktop. What is the name of file? First. See here, this is first. Now when you save, and because of this extension .html, it converts into web browser catch it. He understood that क्या it is, बोलते हैं ना क्या ये हमारा आदमी है, अभी ये क्या है, हमारा आदमी है. तो ये समझ गए अभी ये लोग कि ये HTML कोड है. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इट कन्वर्ट्स इन वेब ब्राउज़र, सिंबल वेब ब्राउज़र आइकॉन आ गया अभी इसका. व्हेन नाउ यू हैव टू क्लिक हेयर, डबल क्लिक करना है आपको. यू हैव टू डबल क्लिक हेयर. Now see what happened. Nothing is displayed here. Oh my god, what is this? Oh no. Here in title we have given web page 1, but in body section we have not typed anything. Now I am going to type. See here, I am starting here. See web page displayed here, web page 1. Now I am typing welcome to KMES student. Okay, very good. See here, again I am saving, file save. Now what happens here? F5 I can press F5, or if you not understand, again close it. Again click on browser first. See here, very good. Welcome to KMES. This is your first web page. In this way, we have seen that how to do coding, how to make first web page. Now afterwards, in a few lectures, we will add some audio, video. We'll add some audio, video here. This in this way I have add text. Then you can add here image. Okay, image. I'm just writing image, audio, video. Afterwards I can add here in body in specific way, not like this. If you type only, you cannot add it. It has some special tag. Okay student, now just I am closing. I think you understood all this thing. Okay, in this way today we have learned some introduction to HTML, that it is a language which is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Very good student, Tim Berners-Lee, remember this name. Then second, what is text editor? What is text editor? What is text editor? In which you can type your code like Notepad, Sublime Text. Then basic structure of HTML. It is enclosed within angular brackets. It has start and end tags. And last one, how to make first web page. Thank you student.